and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2026, and welcome to an episode of To the Point. Get to the point, Ellen. I will say this is the second time I'm recording it because the landscapers are here and they decided to cut the bushes as soon as I pressed record. And it just got louder and louder and louder, and I said, yeah, this is not enjoyable. So hopefully they will stay on the other side of the property while I finish recording this. And again, welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel, where you never know what's gonna happen. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and I wanna welcome my subscribers and say I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos, and as I always say, leaving comments. And yes, I do have another hat. This is my second knitted hat. And I never thought I would be working with double pointed needles, and I never thought I'd be wearing double pointed needles, but you know, I always try and bring a little bit of fun to my channel. So this is my second knitted hat. If you saw my video, I don't know if it was Friday or Sunday, I don't know, this weekend was a blur. It was very busy. I knitted my first hat, okay, from a pattern that was in this book I purchased a few weeks ago, Knit Yourself Calm, A Creative Path to Managing Stress. I do use my craft I just find it enjoyable. It does, you know, relieve some stress at times. So let's get to the pattern of my first hat. Okay, it was, this is a lovely book. It was Family Hats, and the pattern is by, well, I'm not really sure who wrote this one. It's Lynn Rowe Betsann Corkle, okay, and it's Family Hats, okay, and she gives the stitch and the pattern from child size to an adult large. Lovely book. Lots of patterns. I am enjoying it. And I said, you know, I need to start using, I have a library growing here of pattern books, you know, and of course we have a wealth of patterns online, but I said, let me try this first. And I did learn a lot from this pattern, this hat pattern, but you know, it's very bunchy at the top. And I'm not really a fan of that look. And you know, if you look at the picture, that's how it is in the picture. So it wasn't anything that I did. It's just the pattern, and it does fit. I absolutely love this yarn, the way it worked up, of course, because it's discontinued. Hobby Lobby, soft and sleek, low pill fiber. The color was tropical, although I don't know why they named it tropical. I don't know who names these yarns. You have to really think. But I just thought it was going to be a plain striped yarn, and it patterned in a fair isle. Very pretty. Actually, really like the way this color worked up. I wish I had more of this color, but I actually went online and it is discontinued. So this is the Ross hat. Okay, this is a free pattern on Ravelry, and it's the Smells Great guy or something. I don't know. I'll link it below. It's the Ross hat. He does have a tutorial also. And this is a far superior fitting hat. And I'll take it off. I guess I do have hat hair. And I'll show you how this one fits. It's a little large, but it does fit. You know, it's doable. But I will keep this because it's my first hat. You know, it'll be a memento. Something I never imagined that I'd be doing, and I really never imagined that I would be working with double pointed needles. But you know, I do have an end goal here. But and I have to say, I was intimidated. I thought, oh, double pointed needles. It's not intimidating at all. Yeah. I find it enjoyable. The knitting and everything. This is a great pattern, very beginner friendly. Watch his tutorial. And I do want to eventually knit a pair of socks. Why? Just so I could say I did it. But what I would suggest for my fellow creators out there and those that are subscribers that are looking to learn how to knit, you're teaching yourself how to knit, and you do perhaps want to knit a pair of socks, I suggest starting with a hat first, because you can start beginning working with double pointed needles on a larger project and get a feel for it before you start with those little tiny, yeah, that may be a little intimidating. But so I have learned so much in my journey here, so many things that I'm just going to talk about it while we're here for a few minutes. If you recall, I said I had to order some knitting needles because I needed shorties, and that I also didn't have 16-inch cables. Well, it turns out I did, because I didn't realize that Knitter's Pride, Knit Picks, Knit Pro, and Likey, all of the interchangeable needle cords you can use on Likey, you can use them on Knit Picks options, and the Knitter's Pride Tunisian, because I have a lot of cords that I purchased when I was dabbling in Tunisian that I bought that were Knitter's Pride. And just for the heck of it, I went in where I have my Tunisian needles and I said, let me see if they fit. And sure enough, they do. And then I Googled it. And of course, Google says, yes, you can. Knit Picks, Knit Pro, also branded as Knitter's Pride. Interchangeable knitting needles and cords are fully compatible and can be used interchangeably. Both brands share the same screw-on cable system along with Likey and Lantern Moon, allowing you to mix and match needles and cables across these lines. I've never heard of Lantern Moon, but I will check that out. So that's just another little tidbit for those that are trying to build up my tools. Okay, speaking of knitting tools, I do have some probably vintage knitting needles that I got at an auction. And I did have some DPNs, but not in full sets. And I didn't even know what sizes they were. So, I'm trying to get my toolbox, you say stash, built up, but doing it responsibly, because I don't know how long I'm going to be knitting for. Crochet is still my first love. But I went on Amazon, and for $6.69, I got all of these double pointed needles from 2.0 to 5.0 double pointed needle sets, and they all come in their own sleeve, okay, where you can put them in and keep them. So I think there were seven sets. Included a knitting gauge with the needle gauge and stitch markers for $6.69. What a deal. I think it's a great deal, and they're fine. Yeah, they're not the Knit Pro Zings or whatever, but for whatever I'm going to use, the amount of time I'm going to be using to close up a hat crown, they're fine. And they're working out just lovely. And yeah. So if you're looking to, I'm not in no way affiliated with Amazon. I just like to bring to my subscribers some good deals. So as I said, $6.69 for a set of 7 sizes of DPNs. Great deal. I'll link it below. I forget what the name of the brand is. It was okay, Zuyu, 35-piece double pointed, and they're 7.5 inches long, which is fine. Okay, so that was one tidbit. Another tidbit, place markers. for knitting. Okay, I do have, okay, I dropped it. I do have my little tin here where I have, you know, we all have these little locking ones, and then I have these little circular ones for knitting, but you'll see they're open with a little, you know, I guess it's easier to put it in the stitch. And I also have the, you know, the little light bulbs. But these here ones that are circular that I had gotten, probably got them at Joann's or I'm not really sure, Michael's. I found that they would fly off my needle. You know, I guess, I don't know. I would find them on the floor. So somebody, I don't know whose channel I was watching, recommended getting these jump needles that you get at the jewelry section in Michael's. You know, where you can get all the little beads and things. And they're just little gold jump rings. And I find that they don't fly off my needle. So, yeah, that's what I've been using as place markers. I also have the plastic ones. Yeah, I'm kind of doing both because I don't want to lose my place. Well, I got this far, you know, and there's no lifeline in this hat. But, yeah, so that was just another little tidbit for those that are joining this knit journey. I had hoped that this was going to pull up as the other yarn did. It did not, because these are all yarns that I had gotten on, oops, clearance last year. It's all the same. Yarn Bee, soft and sleek. Okay, for $1.24. So, yeah, a hat for $1.24 is a great deal. Low pill fiber, great for gifting. I'm hoping that one of these others may pull like the other did with the Fair Isle. And I'm looking at it, and I think the only one that may would be this one, perhaps. This color, Parisian Light. But, because it's kind of got the speckles that the other one did. But I have two more of this berry mix. This color is berry mix. So I'm going to make a cowl or a scarf to match. And, yeah. I'm not sure if Hobby Lobby's going to have a clearance. If they do, and they have more of this, and I happen to catch it, I will get some. $1.24. Yeah. I have to say, this was a deal. But, anyhow, thanks for watching my crazy video. I hope you enjoyed. I tried to make it to the point. Oh, well, thank you for watching my silly video. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.